Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I'm here today with a purchase order from Miss Pearl Brown, who is Pearl Signs here on YouTube. I will link her down below in the comment section. I have pre-opened the box and we're going to see what's inside. Okay, so first I see my trim here, my pleated trim or lace. It's got little eyelets at the bottom, little flowers here. But if I want to straighten this out like this, make it look like that, and make my own pleats like this, let me zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So, like that. Okay, here we go. So, I got 6 yards of this, and I will link everything down below, the video and everything she did this sale in. I also purchased some tickets. I don't remember purchasing this though. There might have been a free gift. I don't know. I also got this beautiful, beautiful ribbon. And this is wired edge ribbon. Let me see if I can get it open to show you guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my God. And it's true to color on camera. And this is from Robert Stanley collection. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Woohoo! I cannot wait. Okay, so we have that. Then we have these little tags with stickers. Oh, heart stickers. Oh, they're holographic stickers. They're to and from tags. Oh my God, I just got a great idea for these. Woohoo! And if you'll stay till the end, there'll be photos of everything, like I always do on all my videos. And as I've told y'all before, I don't cut anything out of my videos, even when I'm crafting, which I see is what y'all get. Okay, then we have these napkins here. We have the birdie napkin. This is kind of cute. I like this one. And we can decoupage with them. It's a full panel. All 4 panels are the same. You pull the backing off. Some napkins have 2 layers. Some of them have 3. And I got, let's see, 2. If I can pull it apart, 4, 6 of these. And I got these cute little napkins. Oh my God, they're adorable. They're little shirt napkins. See? They're whole napkins. It says hello, aloha on it. And all I did was folded it up to make it look like a shirt. Those are very cute. I love those. Let's put that back in the bag so I don't lose anything. Because I hate losing my things. So we got that. Okay. Next is this big bag. Look how big. Woohoo! Let me put this back in the box so I can fit this big bag up here. And let's see what we have in this big bag here. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm going to put everything up here. I'm going to move the bag out of the way for a minute. Now we got to move some of this out of the way because I want y'all to be able to see everything in its glory. So we're going to put that stack back in there. Oh, look at this. It looks like it's a Finra, but this is what I want to get to. Right here. Look at this, how pretty. And this is, I believe, some prints. And these I'm going to alter them. Trust me, they may not look the same. So we have this one with the elephant sitting. Or, yeah. And some girls here and a guy there. We have this one. I don't know. These like a 1/4 inch thick board. They're like cardboard or some kind of thick board from India. I love this one. Then you have this one. And they all fit comfortably in here with the ribbon that goes like that. And then you have the border of it with flowers. Here's a little elephant over here. But look, this is a 3D wooden elephant on the front. Isn't that pretty? So I'm going to put that back in its box so it doesn't get ruined or anything, but I have ideas for this and also for the box. Is the box so pretty? This was cut out. I don't know why. That's alright though. That's alright. Okay, now we're in for the temples of Finra. The ideology. Let me open it this way. Oh, I think this fell out of here. Yeah, because it's right here. So these are little matchboxes. Ooh. Okay. I've seen them. I've seen them made, altered or whatever. But you can also, I think, fit the ephemera inside of it. There we go. I'm going to put these all in here because I noticed the top of the packaging is cut open. So I'm just going to slide all of these in here and get these all put together in here so nothing gets lost. So there's 6 little boxes. Okay, I got an idea. We're going to have fun altering these little thingies. Okie dokie. We got that out of the way. Now we have this fabric. It's a fat quarter, and I purchased 4 of them from Miss Pearl, and I love it. And I have ideas of what I'm going to do with this because I want to redecorate my house. And I know what I'm going to do with it. See? It has leaves, flowers, and I love it. So we got 4 of these. And I think one of these, and this is gorgeous. And it's a big piece. It's too big to fit in the camera. So I'm going to have to zoom out a bit to show y'all what it is. See that how pretty? Big, gigantic leaves. And then you have a little texture here, but it's flat onto the fabric. So we have that. There's only one panel like this that I got. Everything came nice and neatly packaged too. And then we have these 3. Ooh, Welcome World. These 3 books. Oh, oh, they're music books. Okay. I forgot about these. Look at that. They took notes and everything, and mmm. Welcome to our world. That's one. It looks like they covered them and put little ornament tags on, but I'm gonna take those off, take this off, and I may reuse the paper and everything. Here's another one. Look at that. All the handwriting. I see a I know what I'm gonna do. I know. I like how they have most of it with paper clips to mark for bookmarks. Here's another one. And they're all the same, but different music in it, I think. You see, here's Joy to the World. We have, what's this? There is a place, once again. Let's see what's in this book. And here's a gold bookmark here. I guess that goes around it. I don't know. Copyright on here. If there is one, I can't read it because it's in small, very small print. Copyright 2000, World Music. I think these are older than 2000. I think this is a reprint. I think they're all reprints. But I'll still use them. Trust me, trust me, trust me. So, recap, we have these three. Let me zoom out more. Let me see. Sometimes if I zoom in and zoom back out, it'll put the camera better. We have this. Oops. We have this one, which we have 4 of. Okay. We have this fabric. We have these napkins. I'm going to put that napkin out. Whoa. Crocodile. We have these tickets. These tags. The ruffled trim here. This ribbon. Okay. And then we have the photos. I gotta get it because it fell on the floor. And we have this. Okay. That's all in this box. So I'm going to say this in closing. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, go live, or do a premiere. Because you just never know. Okay? So please be kind, be crafty, stay crafty. Ha, ha, ha. Be caring, stay caring. Be crafty, stay crafty. And I will see, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now, crafty angels.